Alright, so we just talked about overall design of this piece to hold the cell phone from the front, all around and over the top, and then the diagonal clearest shown here, also here, holds it in from the sides, pinch it on top, holds the cell phone in. This loop right here goes against the helmet, held down with zip ties or whatever materials you have on hands, and that is how you hold a cell phone to a helmet with really no special materials or training or budget required. So let's go ahead and do this now, attempt to do it in real time. Apologies in advance for being a clumsy person. That will inevitably waste video time for you. But point is, anybody, and I do mean anybody, can do this right now. Probably finish before the video is done. All right, let's get started. Wire hanger. Get the thickest one you have in your closet right now. I mean, if you have just like the little painted metal ones that, you know, are thinner metal, maybe those won't do. But, I mean, this is just straight from the dry cleaner, you know. Just tore the paper off, and here you go. So, all right. So, let's go ahead and pinch this down in front. All right. And bend it back a little bit, and we'll see if this is good enough to get started with. Looks like it. Yeah, looks like this will do. All right, let's cut some wire. Hold it down. And holding it down well will help us do the further bends, keep our hands free. So let's try and do this part well at least. No guarantees. Wish me luck. Only done this once before, folks. And I cut too short a piece of wire. Let's cut a longer piece of wire. I may not have cut too short a piece of wire, but I cut too short a piece of wire for my butterfingers. Alright, got basic knot. Tighten. Not tighten too much because we're going to shift the knot over to where the vents are so we don't feel the knot on the inside of our helmet. See if we can tighten it a little bit here though. Yeah, it's not very tight. We'll see if we can make it a little tighter over here and here. Alright, so I'm going to try and do this a little better this time than I did it last time. I'm going to try and use both of these vents and both of these vents. Hopefully that'll hold this down tighter. Maybe I won't even need the tape. I don't know. We'll see. Wish me luck. Alright, need to iron these pants. Feeling particularly shameless, you can leave the knots on top. I'll still try and tuck them in the vents, I guess. Alright, yeah, Yeah, that's pretty good. Oh, come on, that is so loose. Like I said, anybody can do this better than me. I'm not even really sure why I'm posting how to do this. I think people think that it's hard until they see somebody doing it. And then, of course, if somebody who knows what they're doing does it, it looks easy. And if somebody who doesn't know what they're doing does it, like me, and it looks hard, but this ain't hard. Alright, so this is pretty secure here. I should have said if we tighten this front one a little better, we don't need any tape. Let's try that. Let's try that. Alright, well, we'll call it done now. Let's bend this up. Alright, and a little forward. And this is the start of where the cell phone's going to rest. Also, cut away the wire. Got a Halloween outfit for your kids with bicycle helmets who want to be bugs. If they've got a black helmet anyway. Alright. Yeah, alright, I guess we'll need to bring on the packing tape to make that a little more steady. Whatever. Start using our quote-unquote cell phone. Oh, by the way, I don't have an extra cell phone, so this is what we're going to use to demo. Start using our quote-unquote cell phone to help us. Wedge it in there. Loop over the top and around. I mean, look. Over the top. Get a little bit of this extra out of the way. Kind of bend this out of the way, basically. So, look, is this perfect? No. It's going to require some fine-tuning. Basic outline, though, it's done. How long did that take? How proficient did I look at it, okay? Anybody can do this faster than me, better than me. Do it. Record your rides. Thanks. Over and out.